Halicki with the WKBN 27 First News Forecast.
And winter weather advisories going into effect this evening, continuing overnight through our Sunday. Snow is already approaching the area now, and that's going to pick up in its intensity overnight for us. You can see on the latest look on radar, continues to inch closer to northwest Trumbull County now. Really been seeing this start to speed up, this wall of snow that is tracking off to the east here. This is all part of a large band of snow that's going to set up over the area overnight. So you see this band here, this is what we're going to continue to watch overnight. It's all of this snow, and notice it's continuing from the west to sink off to the south just a little bit. That is going to be pushing in. Northern parts of the area will start to see the snow falling first. Then it will continue to push south, and we'll start to get that into Columbiana County as we go later on into the overnight. So let's check in on temperatures here, because one thing I've been tracking is the threat for it to start off with a little bit of a wintry mix at times. Well, we still have some warmer readings into Columbiana County, but for the most part, we're going below freezing. The official temperature at the airport now is down to 29, and we're sitting at 24 in Mesopotamia. Colder air will continue to funnel in as the snow also moves in, so that's going to really limit that threat for freezing rain or sleet early on tonight. So this is how future radar handles this as we go through the evening, puts it right into the area by about 1 o'clock in the morning, starting to see a little bit of heavier snow push in, and you'll see the deeper blue that indicates heavier accumulations, heavier falling snow. And you see that with us overnight tonight. We're looking for 1 to up to 3 inches accumulation in spots overnight tonight. Snow will continue for us tomorrow. You see here 8 a.m. still keeping some of that deeper blue in here. We'll continue to watch snow across the area. We could catch a little bit of a break here or there. Future radar tries to hint at one of those at about 11 o'clock in the morning, but still snow continues through the afternoon. By the latter part of our Sunday, I do think that heavier snow will be mainly localized to the southern parts of the area as the storm system that is bringing us all of this, it pushed off further to the south. Forecast models started hinting last night at a more southerly track. That has limited our snow accumulations that we are looking for. It is also sped up in those computer models as we are now looking for this to pull away tomorrow night, and we'll start to see snow winding down. By 7 p.m. you see the lighter blue. It pulls away here quickly. All we'll be left with tomorrow night into Monday, just some light snow showers or flurries. You'll see some of those popping up here in southern Columbiana in the morning, but that too will pull away, and then we'll get into some sunshine for Monday. So for the accumulations with this system, it's going to be heavier off to the south. Usually we see the heavier snow to the north. This is a little different. Heavier off to our south with this, and we're looking for about 3 to 6 inches possible here for southern parts of the area. Now, this is the storm track that we were looking at earlier in the week in those models and why the accumulation has come down. This low pressure system was taking a more northerly track, keeping the heaviest snow with us. It is now going to go further off to the south, about a 90-mile shift, keeping the swath of heavier snow well to the south of us now. So that's why we are looking for lighter accumulations than previously thought in the earlier model runs earlier in the week. So tonight, trace up to 2 inches, trace mainly toward the south. We'll see locally 3 inches possible, especially in extreme northern parts of the area. We'll see the snow likely tomorrow, heavy at times, 25 for the high, 1 to 3 inches for Trumbull and Mercer counties. 2 to 4 inches, Mahoning and Lawrence, with 2 to 5 during the day here in Columbiana for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, we'll start to see snow tapering off, 3 to 6 storm total, 2 to 5 off to the north, and we'll still see snow lingering tomorrow night, but then that starts to end. Just some flurries left over Monday early. Tuesday evening could see a little bit of light snow here across the area. That mainly flurries. Wednesday's looking dry, and then we'll try and warm up into next week as we head toward next weekend. Highs returning to the 30s.